Hey, yeah. Woke up this morning, my knees said